Hello everyone, I Azra Jadi, SST faculty of St. Paul's Convent School, Setal. Today we will read SST and the topic is natural resources. So let's start. Natural resources are the resources given to us by nature. We get them from the earth and the environment around us. Means natural resources are all around us, our air, land, water, wildlife, plants and soil. Means our air, land, plants, water are all around us, and these are our natural resources and provided us by nature, and these are fulfill our basic needs. Okay, they are the air we breathe, the land we walk on, the water we drink, the plants we enjoy, the wind that blows, the animal lives surrounding, and the sun that gives us heat and life. So without these natural resources we can't imagine our daily life, and these are used by us to fulfill our day-to-day life, and these are very important in our daily life. Now move to our next point, that is classification of resources. So there are two types of natural resources. The one is renewable resources and the another one is non-renewable resources. So first of all we will talk about renewable resources. Renewable resources are the ones that can be used again and again. Means a renewable resource is one that can be used repeatedly and does not run out because it is naturally replaced. Some examples of renewable resources are wind, sunlight and water. As you can see in the picture, that mountains, plants, water, land, sunlight and also plants are some examples of renewable resources because it is naturally replaced. Now move to the another point, non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are the ones that do not grow or come back. Once non-renewable resources used up, it takes a very long time to replace them. Means non-renewable resources is a substance that is being used up more quickly than it replaces itself. Okay, and some examples of non-renewable resources are oil, copper, diamonds, natural gas, minerals, iron ores and gold, etc. And here is the picture of non-renewable resources. Look at the picture: nuclear, oil, energy, gas and coal. Okay, and fossil fuel is also one of the non-renewable resources. Though it can be replaced, it takes millions of years to be formed from the dead and preserved remains of any living organism. Okay. Now comes to the next point, uses of natural resources. इनके क्या-क्या use हैं? Okay. So natural resources are used in several ways. Many of them are essential for our survival. Okay. First point is industries and factories are hugely dependent on natural resources for their growth and development. Means we need fuel and energy to run our machines, gadgets and vehicles. Okay, come to the next point. Most of the things we use in everyday life are derived from natural resources. Means, for example, milk which we get from cows, milk animals are natural resources. Except this, vegetables that we get from plants and salt which is a mineral. okay, are also natural resources. Woods that we get from trees are also our natural resources. They can be used to build houses, make paper, used in fireplaces and stoves for cooking. And next, water from rivers are used to produce electricity by building dams. As you all know that without water the electricity make not possible. Okay, so some natural resources can be used directly while others are processed. For example, air and water can be used directly. We use air and water directly as we get from the nature. While some minerals need to be processed before they are used. Okay, some minerals are separated from their ore so that they can be used by us. Now our next point is conservation of natural resources. So human activities are the biggest threat to natural resources. Their availability is being reduced due to their overuse or misuse. Let us take an example of our natural resources, that is water. With increased industrialization and population exploitation, the existing water resources are being overused or misused. Okay, water is being polluted and the water sources are being depleted. If this continues, our planet will soon become dry and barren like a desert because the lack of water. Okay, so there is only one solution to this problem, that is conservation and protection. कि हमें किस तरह से protect करना है. Okay, so we must take sincere attempt to conserve and protect our resources so that our future generation are able to use and enjoy these resources as we have done. Okay, so we can do our bit by, what can we do? Yes, reducing our trips by car, encouraging carpooling with friends, walking, taking bus or riding our bicycle instead of driving. Okay, so second point, reducing consumption and wastage of electricity and water. Third one is reducing wastage of paper. And fourth one, planting trees whenever and wherever we can. Okay, planting trees. Then recycling old papers and using recycled paper bags. Okay, so the responsibility is taking care of these natural resources lies on our shoulder. As a responsible citizen of the earth, we must understand the importance of the nature and do our duty as a sincere citizen of our country. Okay, so for this, if you like the video, please click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon and don't forget to like our video. Thank you for watching.